Good morning. Here I am with you to tell you more about how to solve the missing letters. So, it's sometimes challenging for the students. Even as a tiger, they take it tough. But if you know the concept, what comes after A. So, for the parents, you can write the sounds on the upper side, so it is easy for the child. They can find out what comes after a. You can use a pointer and say with your point finger you will see from the upper side, so it is easy for them. But always use the term what comes after, what comes after a, what comes after love. In the same way you will use the word what comes before. So, in the first step, write the alphabets on the top so that you can easily enjoy it. But in the second step, you will hide, and they should memorize, learn alphabets, say them, read in your mind, even abacadabra like this, or they can in their mind they will read like A, B, C, D, E, F, G. They will they will take a review of it. Again, what comes before? Always use the term what comes before. So these two pattern will be easy. After this pattern, use this one pattern. What comes before? Suppose they will tell what comes after before the, that is k. They will write the k and you will tell them what comes before k, and that will be, they can see from the above statement. But if they feel difficulty, they can see, try to hide, they can try to read on in their mind, so it will be helpful for them. In this way you can easily manage. Thank you so much, my children. Stay blessed.